Hello, 2007 BMW 525i. So we are going to replace the oil filter housing gasket and also the oil cooler gasket. So let's do it. Alright, first thing, this one. So you can use number 10 wrench. There we go. So make sure there's a pan underneath, because there's a coolant that we're gonna drip in there. And also I'm not gonna remove the belt, the serpented belt anymore, because I'm still gonna replace that one. Okay, I just remove this. Okay, there you go. 2 bolts, not too close. There you go. Let's put it here. You know what, I'll put it here. And just I think there's one more over here underneath. Let me check. Alright guys, sorry about that. We don't have audio for a few minutes. So by the way, I just want to summarize what we did. We removed this oil cooler. So we did use, where was that? Number 10 millimeter socket. Okay, after that we just unhook this one. See this for the sensor. So just pull this and then pull this also. Just pull like that and then pull this one. Same thing within here, the coolant hose. So I didn't know this. My external microphone is low back. What the heck. And also we did remove the gasket right there. So now the most the hardest one is to remove, I don't know if you could see that right there, this one, this bolt, because it's located underneath this intake manifold. So you should have this one. See, this is number 8, that's number 8 millimeter socket, 6 point, and this is 1/4 drive U-joint, and then an extension. This is 6 inches extension, and then another extension for going to 3/8. So let's just insert in here. I just want to show it to you. Oh, I need my other hand. It's like that. So let's just insert in here like that. Oops. I don't know if you could see it. Nope. Okay, let's move like that. Okay, and then there you go, right there. All right, and now we're using a 3/8. So this is also an what do you call this one, adapter. So 1/4 to 3/8, and like that. There you go. Actually, I already loosened this a while ago. This is the hardest one actually. As soon as you loosen this, and everything is easy. All right, there you go, right there. Okay, I'll show it to you. I think you could see it somewhere. Yeah, right there. It's kind of, then there you go. Where's my, go, see that? It's moving. All right, let's put it here. There you go. Okay, let's just, no, oops, there you go. All right. Don't. Okay, there you go. I almost dropped it. And now this one we can use, I think this, there you go. I need an extension. This one. Okay, perfect, nice. And there's one more. So did you see that? So that's the one right here. Then there's one more over here, right there. This one, if you follow this, you can see it there at the back, this one. And also there's one more thing that you need to remove. See this? Because we don't have space from here to here, we need to remove this hose. So there's like two bolts in here, 10mm bolt, this one, and then this right there. So two bolts, so we can use this ratchet. It's not that tight actually. There we go. Then other one, there we go. So now we can loosen it. Alright, so we already removed this. So as you can see, it has only two bolt, 10mm socket bolt. So now we have space now to remove the one. Alright, okay, let's remove this. Come on, dudes. Oh my god. Whew, it's so tight. Hold on. There you go. Nice. Oops. Okay. Let's move it. I think we can do it by hand. Yeah. Okay. One down. And let me, this one, I think this one, let's remove this. You know what, let's remove this one first. Ooh. Okay, now we get this one underneath the intake manifold. Okay, then last one. Wait, this is longer than the other one. So see this? So this one came from underneath, and this one is underneath the intake manifold. Let's see how long is this one. Wow, this is the okay. So they have different sizes. So this is the longest one. It came from here. Okay, and now I think we can remove. Is it? Oh shoot! Holy crap, man! Oh, it's fast. There you go. Holy cow. Bingo. Okay, let's put it here somewhere. Okay. So that's the oil cooler housing. I mean, that one. And that's where, holy smoking. What? Look at that. Holy cow. Now it's time for cleaning. Alright guys, so the way I clean it, I use a brake cleaner. Oops. Spray this, then just wipe it. That's the way I clean it. I don't use any scraping tools, because as they said, don't use it, it will scratch that aluminum parts. So just use this, scrape it, and you can see now it's clean. I'm gonna do an oil change in this car too.